everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. As you can see from the title, I am getting ready to go and network and be fun and friendly with my colleagues at our end of year dinner. If you're ready to see me go from this to this, then stick around and continue watching this video. To start this transformation journey, because truly it is a transformation, I'm going to be applying hyaluronic acid to my skin. I do not know why, but I peeled off the label of the bottle and now I just like it a bit more. I don't know. This hyaluronic acid is so thick and it's so good. Going straight into moisturizer, this is the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. This bad boy has been treating me well for a very long time. I'm the kind of person that if I really like a product, I won't leave it alone. I'll just use it for the rest of my life. I really stick to the products that work, and the Simple Light Moisturizer has been working for me for so long. Like, it's one of my favorites. Last but not the least, a little bit of Vaseline for the lips. I don't know why lip balms just never do it for me, but Vaseline, I love it. While the skincare kind of absorbs into my skin, we're gonna move into the hair. So I actually wanted to do my hair today. I wanted to do braids, but I had so much work to do that I was not able to get that done. So I'm just gonna get my hair done sometime next week before my birthday. Oh, by the way, have I mentioned that my birthday is next week? As of the time filming this video, I'm gonna be turning 33. I'm proud of everything that I have done and everything that has honestly happened in my life. I'm just like, wow, I'm that girl. Yes, queen. So the plan for the hair are space buns. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I got these, God knows, I don't know how long ago. First, I'm going to moisturize my hair. This is the Sheer Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm going to use that to give my hair the needed moisture and oomph it needs. Give it another comb through. Make sure the product is evenly distributed through the hair. So the plan is to use a hair tie first to create the initial bun, then use this to add volume and use this stronger band to cover the hair around the bun. I've seen people do this on YouTube and I hope it works. The center line is not going to be straight. If you're one of those people that it has to be straight, I'm sorry to disappoint you. It's alright. The back is going to be messy and honestly I don't care. Do a rough tie first because I'm going to try to stretch the hair using a hairbrush. I hope this works. I hope this really works. So now take the hair tie. Woo, my arm hurts and I only did one. I'm going to take one of these donuts, put it around the hair. Oh, my hair isn't long enough for this. I think the donut is just a little too big. Oh, I'm so sad. I need to figure out my hair. I'm not happy with my hair anymore. Forget the buns. My hair isn't long enough to do that. That was a pipe dream. What I am gonna do, I'm gonna take the stretchiest rubber band. Oh my god. This is perfect and it gives me a facelift. And I comb out the little puff off top. You spent a lot of time on this hair, but this is what happens when you're so busy that you couldn't get your hair done. Makeup wise, I'm going for quite a simple yet glam look. So I'm going to be using a Davis pencil to fill in my brows. I usually use the Yanga Beauty Brow Lotion, but it ran out a while ago and I've not had time to go and pick it up. I just keep forgetting to buy. And also I don't wear makeup as often as I do, so the pressure to go and restock is not as heavy. Though the Davis pencil always does a good job. The Davis pencil was many people's first eyebrow pencil and it always still does a good job. Ooh, like look at that brow. Look at these brows. Come on. When you do your makeup a lot, it becomes so much faster and easier to do. I didn't realize like when I was younger how long it was taking me to do my makeup. Like it actually used to take me like an hour and a half to do a full face. Now it takes me between 45 minutes to an hour to do my makeup. An hour if I'm doing something like really serious. It's taking me like 45 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes when I'm doing like a look for work and I know I'm gonna be on camera. Davis pencil strikes again. Look at those brows. I'm gonna clean and sharpen them up so that they look nice and defined. So on TikTok there's this 2016 makeup filter. And if you don't remember 2016 makeup look, it was really defined by like the defined heavy blocky brows, the several eyeshadow looks, the smoky eyes, the cut creases, the bold lips, the heavy contour and stuff. And in my opinion, that is the best era of makeup because we all look so fly, we all look so good. I am not a fan of all this clean girl, peach girl, whatever TikTok minimalist. I am not a fan of that. For what good reason am I doing the bare minimum makeup? If I'm gonna wear makeup, if I'm gonna wear my Dior face and body foundation, you best believe I'm gonna be doing a look. I'm not gonna waste my good foundation on a minimal clean. Bitch, I'm gonna go all the fuck out. Come on, brows. Brows used to take me so long to do, man. And I used to do my brows back in the days. Jesus Christ, it used to take me forever. My brows take me like, what, 5 minutes? Even though I might not have the Younger Beauty Brow Lotion, I do have their Browlific Brow Booster Base. So I'm gonna use this to lay my brows down because I have really curly brow hairs. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more concealer, act as the base for my eyeshadow. I am gonna be using the ColourPop Sagittarius In Flight Pressed Powder Palette. It only seems right to use this palette since it's Sagittarius season and my birthday is in legit 1 week that I use this palette for dinner tonight. We're gonna be doing a really simple brown gold look with a pop of glittery red in the corners. I'm gonna be using this to set a base and then using this in my crease to darken it, then using this gold on the lid and using this sparkly pinkish red on the inner corner for a pop of color. I'm turning 33.
Oh my god! Wow!
And to be honest, I am not where I thought I would be in life. I am where I thought I would be work-wise, but money-wise, I am not where I thought I would be. I'm not ready to go into all of it right now. Maybe in another video I'll get into all of it, but for now I'm not where I thought I would be, and it's all right. I'm getting over it and I'm taking it a day at a time. I hardly talk about work. Like, I do sometimes create content around my work. I don't know, I'm just like, I just don't want to divulge too much, but at the same time I do want to create content about communications and like what it's like to be working in communications. I am a professional, been doing this for quite some time now. The idea of me talking about it shouldn't be a bad thing. In fact, I do have a video where I spoke about whether or not you should get a master's degree, and that video did quite well on my channel, which is kind of making me think, should I talk more about stuff like this? So work-wise, yeah, 2023 was a good year work-wise. I worked my ass off, I would say. One thing I will say, a little boast I'm gonna boast about, our Instagram page hit 60,000 followers the other day. I was so happy. I was just looking at the page, so happy, with so much joy in my heart. I work very hard on our Instagram. You guys don't notice it, but doing Instagram for a business is much harder than doing Instagram for like content creator, because business accounts have a lot stacked against them. Zuckerberg wants to make money off business accounts, basically dragging down engagement. So I'm working against the algorithm, and when we reached 60K, it was so good. I felt joy, love, hearts. I was like, my hard work.
Nice.
Seeing the reward of your hard work is amazing. I'm very proud of the work I've done, and I'm looking forward to doing more amazing work in 2023. This is the year I said I wanted to grow on YouTube, and I actually did grow on YouTube quite a little bit, but not as much as I wanted. My goal was to end the year at least 5,000 subscribers. We're currently, as of me filming, at 4,003 or something. But my eye makeup is looking really nice. This gold right here is absolutely gorgeous, and I love the way it always looks on my lids. And what I've started doing, just to add a little bit more, an oomph, is not just keeping the shimmer shade really close here, is also extending it into the corner so it looks evenly distributed and evenly blended out. So using this black eyeshadow and this really thin brush here, I am gonna do a rough liner look. I think it'll go better than with a precise liquid liner. It still gives me that defined liner effect I want, but it's much more softer. Gonna go in with my mattifying makeup primer from New Balm Beauty. What I've really started to do is concentrate my primer on my T-zone and blend out from there, because that is the place that really needs the primer more. I want to do a little underpainting. Underpainting is the technique of using concealer under your foundation. You do this so that you're not using too much concealer on top of your foundation and you eventually use less product. The concealer I'm using is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer. This thing is very fast drying, very full coverage, very thick. Now it's time to use my foundation, and this is absolutely one of my favorite foundations. This is the Dior Face and Body. When I bought that foundation, Dollar was at a good place. It wasn't at a good place, but it was not where it is currently sitting right now. I am very scared of going into the store to ask how much that foundation costs, because I am pretty sure they're going to tell me a price and I'm going to be so sad. It's going to probably cost double of what I bought it. The price of every fucking thing has gone up. But this is one of my favorite foundations. It gives me such a beautiful natural coverage. Once this one finishes, I don't know if I can afford it. I don't need to use a lot of concealer under my eyes because I have done some underpainting, but I am still gonna use just a little bit. I'm gonna highlight this area. Actually almost done with my makeup. Like once I'm done with my eyes, the skin is so easy and it's so straight to the point. Just gonna be using my Maybelline medium deep powder. This is a little light for me, so if I look very bright, do not be worried. I know it's a bit light for me, but it oxidizes and comes down and I look like my skin tone. The first thing I actually do to help like match my face to the rest of my body is I apply it first on my neck, like all the way down here, so that, you know, it can blend. I need to get a powder that's a little bit darker, just a little bit darker. They only had this one in stock and I can't really do without my finishing powder. I need a setting powder. I need a powder, you know, to put everything in place. We're going into the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. Tarte makes some absolutely gorgeous blushes. Add some color and some warmth. Also, I started doing the Gen Z thing, dusting a little bit of blush across my nose. Next, we're gonna go in with highlighter. This is the Younger Beauty Candid Glow. When I first got these highlighters, I think I said it that I'm gonna be using this for a pretty long time, which is very true. I think I got these when I still lived with my parents. Everything is almost done. We just gotta finish up the eyes. I'm just gonna take this brown and I'm gonna drag it all the way on my bottom lash line, and then I am going to spruce up the liner a little bit, just to give the eyes a little bit more of oomph. I'm gonna take this gold eyeliner and apply it to my waterline. It's gonna make my eyes look so bright, so bright. I was teased in secondary school for having bug eyes, and here I am doing makeup to make my eyes look bigger and wider. Before I apply mascara, I am gonna put on some setting spray. This is the New Balm Beauty Seal It, a makeup affixing spray. That's gonna really tone down the powdery look and make it a bit more skin-like. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I am gonna do my lips once I'm dressed up. So let me go dress up and I'll be right back to finish the makeup with the lips. This is the final look for the end of year dinner. The top and the pants are from Fashion Nova. The mules are from Shopify. Also, this bracelet is from Fashion Nova. It's so cute. I love it. Jewelry from random vendors on Instagram that I do not remember their name right now. And then last but not least, my bag. I got this from Hot Signatures. I am all dressed up and I'm wearing my jewelry. And now I'm gonna finish up my makeup and finish up this video with my lip. First, I am gonna line my lips with the Zaron lip liner pencil in the shade Cappuccino. And what I'm doing is that I'm basically lining my lip and kind of filling it in, not completely, but just a little bit. I'm going to use the Yves Rocher lipstick It's 155 matte. If you do not know, Yeezer Shea actually makes makeup and it's pretty good. Just going to use my finger to blend it together. If I feel like I'm losing a little bit of that brown, I'll just go back and blend. You can make this as brown as you want, as pink as you want. I don't know what Rihanna put into this lip gloss, but this is like the perfect like brown girl lip gloss. It is so beautiful. So the way I like to apply, I like to tap it because this helps me to control how much I'm using. And that is it. This is the finished makeup look for my company end of year dinner. If you stuck around to the end of the video, you're actually getting to hear the tea. I have actually been accepted into the YouTube Shorts Made For You program. So over the next 8 weeks, I'm going to be participating in workshops. I'm going to be doing content creation challenges, and it's all going to be revolving around YouTube Shorts. I'm so excited. I really want to do really well on the challenges and graduate from the program so that I can get YouTube partner support in 2024 so that I can grow this YouTube channel. I've said this in a previous vlog, but really YouTube for me is the channel, is the social media platform that I love and I really want to grow and I really want to build. I feel like over the past couple of years I've been creating content. I've been doing it in so many places, and if I should just take all my energy from one place and put it into YouTube, I will be able to grow YouTube. So that is really what I want to do. Being accepted into the Made For You program is making me really happy because I can finally find a way to grow my YouTube channel and to actually be the YouTuber of my dreams. This December might not be a dirty December. I'm not planning on going out much, to be honest. I only have one thing I want to go for, and that's a rave on the beach. I'm planning on doing a whole vlog and everything about that. But apart from that, there's really nothing that is enticing me to leave my house and go outside. I say that, but then something just pops up, so I'm gonna keep you all posted. But for now, it's not looking like a dirty December. In relation to my birthday, I was actually thinking of doing a video about things I wish I knew in my 20s, things I wish I knew when I was younger. I have a little bit of advice. I don't know if I am well qualified to give like life-changing advice, but I do have a little bit of, you know, knowledge and things that I've experienced over the years of being a human being on this planet that I think, you know, would be good to share with other people and share with the world. So if you guys want a 20 things I wish I knew in my 20s video, put it in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, that brings us to the end of this little update segment and to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to apply your foundation to the subscribe button so that you can join my family here on YouTube. Do not forget to blend the like button so that you can tell YouTube that this video is awesome and to recommend this video to other people as well. Also, do not forget to apply your lip gloss to the notification bell so that you will always get notifications whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to be awesome, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!